If you have decided to get a drone for yourself around a budget of $300, there is no need to waste time searching for the best one. Because we have already done the research and shortlisted some of the best drones under $300. Also, don't forget to go through the detailed buying guide, which will help you to make a smart decision while purchasing a drone. Number 1. Holy Stone HS720 Foldable GPS Drone with 2K FHD Camera. Holy Stone is one of the best drone brands because it offers exceptional build quality along with top-notch specifications in all their products. We have put the HS720 Foldable GPS Drone in first position in our article as it fits right into the list and offers premium quality specifications for the price. The camera quality is absolutely crisp as it offers 2K video capturing with 2048 by 1152 resolution. Along with that, the camera housing has dedicated shock absorbers for delivering great image stabilization with super smooth transitions. Moreover, the 90 degrees tilting camera and 5 GHz FPV transmission, it becomes easier to see the world from various angles. Its sturdy build and foldable design make it more suitable to carry and withstand shocks and drops. The controller can keep you connected with the drone even if it's 3,000 feet away because of the 2.4 GHz transmitter. In addition, it is equipped with lots of useful features like optical flow positioning, which makes it hover on a specific place smoothly. Apart from that, the custom flight feature lets you set a trajectory for the drone to fly, or you can just record yourself while moving using the follow me mode. You can enjoy all those features for a long time as the inbuilt battery can keep the drone flying effortlessly for almost 26 minutes. In case the battery gets low, or the drone starts to lose the signal, it comes right back to you automatically with the GPS return home feature. Number 2. Ruko F11 Pro Drone 4K Quadcopter UHD Live Video GPS Drone. The Ruko brand is popular for manufacturing durable drones. When you pick any drone from this brand, you are benefited with long-lasting use and great stability. The Ruko F11 Pro Drone is an excellent choice when it comes to reaching long distances and great heights. This drone is capable to transmit video signals up to 300 to 500 meters. Moreover, it supports image transmission up to 500 meters distance. Through powerful GPS positioning, the F11 Pro can fly steadily to capture clear quality images. In its configuration, the 4K Ultra HD camera lets you experience stunning 4K Ultra HD picture quality as well as 2.9K video for exceptional clarity. The output images represent deep contrast and bright colors. You will experience the amazing beauty in ultra-high definition. With the help of a 120 degrees FOV lens, you get a wide view of the moment. The key specialty of this Ruko drone is its flight time. It comes with a maximum flight time of 60 minutes. This is made possible by its built-in 2500 mAh battery. This battery delivers up to 30 minutes of flight time. An extra battery is included in the pack. It prolongs your flight time to 60 minutes. With the help of a stable and efficient GPS signal, this drone effectively monitors any place. The included functions make this drone a beginner-friendly device. These functions are FPV, auto return, headless tap fly mode, and one key takeoff/landing. By the simple press, even any kid can control this drone. Number 3. Dirk D20 Mini Drone for Kids. Dirk D20 Mini Drone for Kids. If you are looking for beginner-level mini drone for fun photography or for your kids, then Dirk D20 is the right product to invest in. This drone is equipped 720HP camera which is capable of taking aerial videos and photos. Because of the FPV transmission, you can check out the live feed through smartphone app. It features a low power alarm and emergency stop features which ensure a safe flight. It is equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries which give out 20 minutes of run time. It comes with voice control option so you can just provide commands like landing or take off to the drone. With gesture selfie feature, you can just show your palm at the camera, and it will take the photo automatically. This drone is also equipped with Waypoints Fly, which means, you can set a flight course on your phone and it will fly according to it. This drone also has altitude height which can maintain the drone at particular height. This can easily maintain the control and record high-quality footage. It just needs 80 minutes of duration to complete the charging. Number 4. Ruko 60 minutes GPS drones with camera. Well, if you liked the previous drone from Ruko, the F11 Pro, but didn't want to spend that much, choosing the F11 over the F11 Pro while saving some bucks is not a bad decision either. It has all the necessary features that make it a great alternative to its own Pro version. You will be amazed to see the drone's performance and build quality. The flexible and strong design is complemented with level 7 wind resistance. Apart from that, its camera is capable of capturing 4K quality images and 1080p Full HD videos effortlessly while all the maneuvering control stays in your hand. It can go higher up to 4,000 foot while still staying connected because of the amazing signal band. On the other hand, you can enjoy the 5G FPV transmission up to a range of 1,600 feet quite easily. You get a total flying time of 60 minutes if you consider using both of the 11.1 V2500 mAh batteries one after another. In addition, the beginner-friendly features like the GPS hold, 3 speed modes, gesture control, 1 key takeoff/landing, headless mode, point of interest makes the experience more enjoyable. Apart from that, the tap fly feature comes in handy while shooting professional quality videos, as you can set up to 16 points on the map that the drone would automatically follow while shooting videos. Apart from that, if you want the drone to follow you, it has the dedicated follow me mode, and it can go as fast as 43.2 km per hour, so following your car on the most beautiful roads is not an issue for this drone. Number 5. Holy Stone HS700D FPV drone with 2K FHD camera. As Holy Stone is quite popular for making a wide range of drones, the HS700D FPV drone is more focused on videography and has some quality specs for such purposes. The HS700D fits the budget pretty well and offers top-notch video quality with its 2K FHD 90-degree adjustable camera covering almost every angle for you with its 110 degrees FOV. Apart from that, the fast and accurate 5 GHz live video transmission is a handy feature to see from the drone's perspective. Unlike most drones, this drone comes with a battery of 2,800 mAh capacity, which delivers a flying time of almost 22 minutes on a single charge. For the next flight, you will need to charge it again, for which it takes up to 5 to 7 hours. However, the control range of 3,280 feet and transmission range of 1,640 to 2,600 feet is amazing for a drone in this price range. Not just that, it has pretty decent features as well, which helps the user to control it more efficiently. It does not require much skill to handle this drone, as it is capable of doing pretty much everything on its own. You can lock down its altitude with just one click of a button. Moreover, if you want to record yourself while doing any activity like running, the Follow Me feature will come handy for you. However, if the drone gets lost from your sight, you can press the return button, and its auto-return feature will make it come back to you automatically. The 1500 kV long-lasting brushless motor works well and delivers a quiet and smooth flight experience. Apart from that, it also has the custom flight feature, which lets you decide the trajectory path for it. Number 6. Contico F24 Pro Drone. Contico is one of the famous brands when it comes to the reliability and efficiency of drones. In all its products, it offers top-notch specifications. Discussing the Contico F24 Pro Foldable Drone, it offers premium quality specifications for the price. The key component of this drone is its 4K Ultra HD camera. It is actually a 90 degrees vertical adjustable camera equipped with a 120 degrees FOV lens. This camera allows you to capture stunning pictures in 4K Ultra HD quality. Also, it lets you record 2.7K video for exceptional clarity, vivid colors and deep contrast. What makes this GPS drone unique in the market is it comes with a maximum flight time of 30 minutes. The built-in 2,500 mAh battery offers up to 30 minutes of flying time. The LED lights present on the battery depict the remaining power. On the side, a micro USB charging port is available. With the help of a steady and powerful GPS signal, this drone can support the transmission of image and live video up to 1,700 feet. The powerful GPS positioning makes sure the F24 Pro can fly steadily to catch clear quality images. The built-in brushless motors guarantee a smooth and efficient flight. Since this drone is easily foldable, it facilitates compact storage without any need for uninstalling propellers after the use. When this drone is used in 3D view mode, you get a wonderful visual fidelity and great 3D experience.